Hey everyone, Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher here. Today, I wanted to address questions that I've been hearing recently, which is why is it important to learn chords? Why is it important to do the triads and arpeggios and learn chord voicings? How will that help me as a musician? And I wanted to take a look at two song examples. We'll look at Hallelujah and No Surprises by Radiohead. I literally just went through my site and found songs that I think would work. The summary is that knowing chords helps us figure out the melody quickly. It shows you the melody within a note or two. Let's look at an example. So let's take a song like Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. What I need to know is what the song is like. If I know the song, it helps a lot. That's my one tip about before you learn a song, listen to it a few times so you could sort of hum it. I know what Hallelujah is like. And I need the lead sheet. So when you pull up the sheet music, you see that there's a C, A minor, F, G. Those are the chords I need to know. So let's take a look. The song is, I heard there was a secret chord in C major. I heard there was a secret chord. Right? So C major, what's C major like? C, E, and G. The first notes of the song will likely revolve around C, E, or G. So let's try it. There it is, C and G. My hand is already on the C, E, and G. It could be this form, or it could be this form of the chord, that voicing, but I start with the first form. There's my C major. And the triad. I heard there was a... Next chord is an A minor. My A minor from this C looks like this. Right? A minor is A, C, and E. I'm going to move it up here. And let's see if that's the chord. There, A minor. Back to C major. There's my C major chord. A minor. Next chord is F. F is this, C, F, and A, or F, A, C. This is a bit high, so that's what I'm going to play here. There it is. Right? F, F, F. Next one is G. Yeah, so... So what's happening? My fingers, because they know where the C is, and the F, and the G, and the A minor, they're telling my hand where to go in order to get the right notes. I'm not trying these notes. I know there's no E flat minor. I know there's no C7. So the song will likely not have a B flat. I know that and you don't really G care for music. Next chord is C. Probably there won't be an A minor. Probably there won't be a D in there, right? From a D major. It's going to be a C major. You don't really care for music, do ya? Right? That's one example. Let's continue quickly. C major. It goes like this. The F major. F. F and A. G. A minor. Right, to F. There's a point where we actually hit the D over the F. And the major lift. And that's where I said in the beginning, it usually tells us what the right note is, plus or minus a note. So here we're going to the D instead of just hitting the C. And then the baffled kings. There's my G major, right? No. No. Yes, baffled kings to E major. There's my E. To A minor. There's my A minor. That's an example of Hallelujah. We also said we would do No Surprises by Radiohead. Just because it's a little bit... It's not a Leonard Cohen song. So again, I know the song in my head. Let's try and play it. It's F, B flat minor, and then F, D minor. Let's try those chords out. So G, F major. right? Da 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 da. What's that? That's an F major variation. F major is this, F, A, and C. Their riff is A, C, F, which is the A major. And then B flat minor. How do I know where to go? Let's try the B flat minor. B flat, C sharp, and F. Yeah, right? F major, B flat minor, F major, B flat minor. The melody sounds like this. A heart that's C, A, because that's a part of the F major. Right? That's my F major, arpeggios and triads. So again, if you know the chord voicings and how to hit the chord of your song, you're 90% of the way to figuring out the song, as well as knowing the song in your head. You do your training exercise, you'll be able to hear the song along with the sheet music and be able to play the song much quicker. So again, F major, D minor. D minor means it's probably going to be a D, F, or A, or a combination of them. There. Da, 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 da. B flat or G minor? G minor. There's my G minor, G, B flat, and D. To C major. My fingers are already there. I don't need to look at the sheet music. I know it's probably going to be a C, E, or G. There it is. Back to that F major. Bruises that won't heal. Right? I'll take quiet life. D minor. Handshake from carbon monoxide. Sad lyrics. G minor. No alarms. And C7. No, sir. Or C major. No surprises, please. And that's how you learn a song quickly. This also leads the way from playing at a level 1, right? To level 2 by completing the chord. Right? Anyways, I hope this shows you a little bit of forward thinking. Why are we learning how to do major and minor chords? Why is it important to learn the chord voicings? Because it gets you 90% of the way to learning the melody of a song. Because most composers, all of the songs that we do on this channel, usually the composer writes around that chord. Leonard Cohen, Radiohead, Elton John, all of the French music, all the music that we know is popular music, 99% of the time revolves around the chord. The melody revolves around the chord, and knowing the chord and the voicing will reveal the melody. I hope this helps. A little bit of an advanced lesson, but again, something to look forward to and hopefully give you a bit of inspiration as to why we do triads and scales and arpeggios. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.